Hi guys, in today's video we are going to paint this beautiful couple painting in simple 5 steps. So let's get started. Now let's see the art materials for this painting and I have given all the links in the description. Here in the first step we are going to paint the background. So you already know the background is the night sky. That's why here I mix the color blue and now I'm going to add little white and a little black to the color. So we have this beautiful shade of blue, and adding these two colors make our color little less vibrant, but that's okay, and that is for this painting. And now I am applying the color here. We are going to cover the entire canvas from the dark shade of blue to the light shade of blue. So we are going to mix the color white gradually to the blue. So we have the beautiful transition of blue in our painting. Gradually add more white to your blue to have a very light shade of blue. After cover all the entire background, now let's move to the second step. So in the second step we are going to paint the trees in the distance. To paint the trees in the distance, I have chosen the color dark blue. So we have this dark shade of blue. So I am going to paint the trunk here. So you can see this tree painting is very small. So we don't need to paint many details here. We just need to paint the trunk and leaf foliage, that is enough. So here you can see I am using only the tip of my round brush. I just tap the paint on my canvas to have this foliage effect. So again I tell you, we don't need to paint more details here. We just need to paint a trunk and the leaf foliage to have the illustration of tree. So that is enough. Now it's time to paint the moon. To paint the moon and we need a circle. So here I use my compass to have a perfect circle, and I am going to fill the entire area in the color white mixed with a little orange. So we have this beautiful shade of orange, but we need to mix a very little amount of orange to this white. Here I am adding some texture for the moon. So you can see I just mix a little orange to the white and I am just tapping the color here. So we need to paint a little effort of texture here. In the fourth step we are painting the trees, that is in the foreground. So first we need to paint the trunk. To paint the trunk we need this round brush. First we are painting the big trunk. So once we finish this, we are going to paint the tiny trunk. When you are painting a trunk for a tree, don't just paint some straight lines for the trunk. You have to add some bumps and curved lines for a trunk, so it will make our painting more interesting. Here we are painting the tiny branches. To paint the tiny branches we need a very tiny and thin lines. So here I am using the tip of my round brush to have this extremely tiny and thin line. Now it's time to paint the leaf foliage. So to paint this effort we need a normal and regular flat brush, but one thing you have to remind that you don't need to wet your brush. If you wet your brush then you don't have this effort. So take your dry flat brush and just take some paint, and before you are going to use the paint on your canvas, just take a paper and tap the excess paint on your paper and then apply the effort on your canvas. So in this way you have this extremely beautiful foliage effect. Here you can see in my palette I just tapped the excess paint, so you can see the mark in my palette. So in this way you have this effort. Don't just put the colors on your canvas directly, then the colors will block this area. You don't have this beautiful effort. So you have to do these things so your painting will be more interesting. Now we are going to paint another tree in this side. We are going to use the same method. First we are continuing with painting the trunk and later we are going to paint the foliage using the same method. The final step is our climax step. So in this step we are going to paint a swing, couple and the cute butterfly. So first I start with the swing. Now I am painting the illustration of the couple. So I trace the image first. So you can get the image link in the description. You can check, and we are painting a very tiny details here. So we need to be really careful while painting this. And here I am using the same round brush and using the tip of my round brush that helps me to paint the very tiny details here. If you are watching my channel for the first time, you don't know one thing, and I will tell you that I paint from the suggestion of my followers. So if you are having any suggestion, you can leave the suggestion in the comment and I will paint that. And this painting is also suggested by one of my followers, and the follower texted me to paint a beautiful painting, that is the couple in swing at a night time. So I really love this idea, so I decided to paint this. This painting tutorial is only for beginners, so I made everything is as simple as possible. So let me know in the comment section how much my tutorial is really helpful for you. Now let's paint the foreground and grass here. To paint the grass, I am using the curve lines here. Now let's paint some cute butterflies around the couple. If you are new to my channel, I am Raksana. I love to paint with acrylics. Here I am sharing my painting knowledge with beginners. So if you find my tutorial is really helpful and interesting, please let me know. And you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can follow me in my Instagram Raksana Art for more updates about my paintings. This is the final look of our painting. I really love this painting. Please let me know how much you like this painting, and I will meet you guys with another beautiful painting with a step-by-step tutorial. Until then, have fun with colors.